Here I have some pineapple chunks. I'll chop it in my food processor. If you have a blender, that can work as well. Try not to get it smooth. Blend it, pour in a pot. Gather your ingredients. 1 teaspoon of orange peel, 6 dashes of ground cinnamon, 1 dash of ground clove, 2 dashes of cardamom. I use half a cup of sugar. I didn't want it too sweet. Of water. Stir to combine your ingredients. Stir really well so your sugar is nicely incorporated. I will put my stove on high. Once your pineapple comes to a boil, a rapid boil like this, stir a little. Now my heat setting to simmer. Don't stir the pot throughout this cooking. I have simmered it for an hour. After an hour, this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's still some water in here. So I need water to be gone or less. I can see the bottom of my pan or pot. You want to see the bottom of your pot. I raise the heat up to medium low and we'll cook it at this temperature for 15 minutes. This stage, checking. Every stove is different, so you want to keep checking and make sure you're around to check your pot. After 15 minutes, this is what I got. As you can see, we can see the bottom of the pot now. And this is how we know our jam is finished. It'll be a little sticky, not too much. It will work so well in any pastry filling or on toast. Now I will take my heat off and remove your pot from the heat source. Let cool for 10 minutes and pour in a container.